What's up, people? That's the morning done. Tricep workout, breakfast, 5 eggs, plantain, mackerel, cottage cheese. Yeah, been one of them tough mornings. Still gotta do chest later. Do a little bit of a clean up now. Yeah. Have to at least work out every day, so then I can, you know, get rid of this gut. It's time for the gut to go. Yeah. Post up later what I'm doing. Post up chest stuff. Oh yeah, got this piece of pork. Check this out. Got the Jamaican jerky, yeah? Seasoning, Morrison's. Sun's out, guns out. So I thought, bang! That's straight from the butchery, boy. A-grade pork butt, pork shoulder. I'm gonna smoke this. Should be good, man. What size is this? Yeah, buddy. First, I'll clean up this kitchen. Then I'm gonna try and make some escovitch.